Okay, I'm brewing up my elderberry syrup. I'm going to make some elderberry cough drops. Mmm, perfect aroma. Hello everyone, welcome to Tilia's Natural Soaps and All Things Pampered. Today I am making some elderberry cough syrup, and this is a cup of sugar and a cup of honey, and I'm going to boil this until it all melts. I'm going to add my elderberry syrup in here along with some other ingredients, some echinacea. And once this gets hard, once this boil and reaches a 300 degrees in Fahrenheit, like you do candy, I'm going to do my test, and then I will put them in a mold. I have a mold. I will put them in a mold and let them dry for about an hour or so, and that's when you get your candy. Thanks for watching.